Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to make a very useful video. Many times you'll see in your car the flat tire symbol on your dashboard. For example, in my car, if you look carefully, you'll see that on the right hand corner side there is this flat tire symbol. It does not necessarily mean that you have a flat tire, but most of the time the reason is that one of the tires has a low pressure. Unfortunately, my car is a little bit older model, so it does not say which tire the pressure is less compared to what is prescribed. So I'll try all the different tires and try to inflate some pressure. So now, in order to inflate the pressure, I'm going to use this Astro AI air compressor that I bought. So in order to so this one is a very handy air compressor, portable compressor that I bought from Amazon. So it has a nice let me just show you. It has a nice display over here. So on that display you can select your tire pressure, the pressure that you want to set, and then it has, so if you look closely over here, so one of the connection actually is this that goes to your car battery outlet. So in my case the car battery outlet is somewhere over here, so I'll just put it there. The moment you do, then you'll see on the display, let me show you the display, put it somewhere here. See on the display you can see that this is 0 psi. Now you can set the desired psi that you want to set in your car. In my case, I'll try my front tires first, so, and then in the back tire, and the prescribed tire pressure that I need to have in my car is 35 on the front tire. So I'll start first with the front tires. So let me just try to increase this. So there is a plus and a minus button over here. So this is a minus that will reduce the pressure, this is the plus. So let me just keep on pressing that. So you can see that now this is 33.5. Okay, let me just increase that. So that's 35 now. Now it also comes with the other part, which is basically this one. So this one fits against the air pressure valve on your tire. So this part, so the air pressure valve on your tire is typically covered by a rubber cap. So you need to remove the rubber cap first, and then this part will fit against the air pressure valve. You just need to put a little bit pressure to make sure it is firmly goes against this air pressure, and then there is a screw over here, so you can simply rotate this screw to make sure that it fits perfectly and there is no air leakage. Once that is done, now you're ready to inflate your tire. At that point you simply switch on your compressor and it will inflate. So as I have shown previously, that I have set the air pressure to be 35 psi because that is the suggested air pressure for my front tire. Yeah, so let's go and give it a try. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is my front tire, and in the front tire you can see this is the rubber cap that I'm going to remove. So once that is done, I'll simply place it and try to put it on the valve, and then I'll try to make it tight, and then let's see. So inside the pressure is 75, so inside the pressure is 70.5, which is really low. So that is set to 35. So now I'll simply press this on button. Alright, so now it has stopped. So now I'll simply remove this from this valve. Alright, so once I've inflated the tire, let's put the rubber cap back. Alright, so the rubber cap is back. Alright, so here we are again. So now you can see that flat tire symbol is gone. So this is really quick and easy. As you can see, you can use this inflator to very easily inflate your tire pressure and make sure that your flat tire symbol is gone. Alright, thank you for watching.